Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome in for another top tip. And today's tip won't be for everybody. I know some of you guys are not as picky about this, but this is something I started doing a long time ago, and I don't think I've ever really shown you guys how I do this. So I thought I'd show you. Okay, so I just cleaned all these stamps using my scrubber. I've shown you guys how to clean stamps recently. I'm going to show you what I do to put them back on the sheet so that they are not all messy all over the place. Again, this is not for everyone. All right, I'm taking my stamp off, and the flat side, not the image side, the flat side is going to face up. The image side I'm going to put down. I've only got it on this white paper so you can see what I'm doing. I don't usually put paper behind it. But if you want to line your stamps up on your sheet so they're nice and neat and they don't look all kind of shadowy, you know what I'm talking about. If you ever get them kind of offline, you get kind of a messy look on your little sheet. Here's what I do. I'm going to bring it to me a little bit, okay? I take my sheet to the stamp and then I line it up with the stamp itself to place it back on. Then see how much neater that looks than if I did this. Let me show you. Then if I just went like this, and then when I turn it around, see how it looks a little messier? It's not for everybody. Everybody's not this picky about this, I promise. But some of you are probably thinking, oh, I never thought about doing that, because it makes it easier when we're lining things back up. It works with all of them. Let's use a sentiment as well. So I can take this little guy, and I'm just going to sit it down. And then it does help as your stamps get stained. The more stained they get, it does look a little better on your sheet, and it also helps you when reading what stamp is what. So it is a good idea to help you, in the long run. But this is how I started doing this a while back, and I was sitting at my desk about to put my stamps back on the sheet, and I thought, you know what? This would be a good tip to show people how I do this. So that's my tip today. Instead of taking the stamp to the acetate sheet, take the sheet to the stamp, and you can line them up. I didn't get that one perfect, but she's pretty close. This little guy right here, this little puppy dog. Put him down and line him up. So tell me in the comments below, is this too much? Is this like you don't stress about this? This is not a big deal. Or is this a tip? Hey, just what you've been looking for. A lot of you are going to say this is overkill. But if you'll try this when your stamps start to get a little more stained, you'll be surprised how much better it is for you to be able to read what's on the sheet when you go to look for them. All right, guys, there's my top tip today. Taking the sheet to the stamp to line them up. It's easier. Now this guy is all set to go back in its little envelope and be put away for storage. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.